For coming forward to treat all these kids who are underprivileged and changing their life. And I also thank Mr. Bhartisha Reddy, who never said no to me when I approached this. I would like to just showcase two patients. You can see on the screen out of the 19. And this is one 14-year-old boy with cerebral palsy with the bow legs. I would request not to take the photographs because the faces are not covered. Yeah, this you can take. Can you play the video? This is how his legs are totally bowed and difficulty in walking. And the next photograph you will see that his legs are absolutely straight. This surgery took us around 4.5-5 hours with correcting the thigh bone as well as the leg bones so that he can have a confident life. Can we go to the next thing? This is a kid with cerebral palsy. Can we move the video? This is how he was walking with assistance. The other video, please. This is how he was walking. Okay. And the next video, please. This is today. He is walking today independently. His work under progress. He'll take around 6 more months to completely become normal. He's on regular physio. I think he'll be doing well. A simple procedure, now she's happy. And a girl's neck was twisted, a simple procedure, it is straight today, happily going to school because of the confidence. It's not only of this thing, going to school with confidence because to avoid bullying by other kids. So thanks a lot. Thank you everyone.
ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಸಹ ಏನೂ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸೋ ಹೊರತು ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿ